If I wanted to escape the 9 to 5 or supplement my income, I'll look for boring businesses that many people don't really consider, but yet there are a lot of people that will pay you good money for them. And these are businesses that are not easily replaced by AI, and they are recession proof. So I'm going to share with you the businesses that I could start if I want to escape the 9 to 5 or if I wanted to supplement my income. Hi, my name is Davis and I own my own exterior cleaning business. We clean driveways, patios, gutters, decking, and this year we are adding roof cleaning. We're adding roof cleaning and window cleaning as a service, because window cleaning is a repetitive service that you can provide, and one that it is predictable. It has that predictable income. So the businesses that I could start that are boring, but I could leverage social media to reach masses. The first one is pressure washing business. This is a business that I started while I was doing my own day job. I was doing my day job and I started this business. You can provide services like cleaning driveways, cleaning patios, decks, and you can even have soft washing where you clean walls, cleaning roofs, and you can just start with a second-hand pressure washer, lances, a surface cleaner, and also a tank. With just those items, you can start an exterior cleaning business. What I would do, I would provide free services to family members, to friends, and in return, I would record myself doing such jobs and also ask or request them to leave a review on my social media pages. So you could create an Instagram page and you post your before and after. You know, the before you do the job and the after. People to see the results of your work. So I would start, if I wanted to escape the 9 to 5 or supplement my income, I will look for a boring business and I will leverage social media to reach masses. And I could also guarantee that I'm not easily replaced by AI. And that is starting an exterior cleaning business, specifically pressure washing business. Another business that you could consider if you want to escape this rat race, you could start a window cleaning business. Window cleaning is thriving, especially if you live in the United Kingdom. This is a business that is sought after. Many people like their windows to be clean fortnightly. So you could sign up some customers where you can provide that service every fortnight. Every fortnight you go there and you clean their windows. Before you know it, you'll have customers that support you, and you just plan your days. If you're still working a 9 to 5, you can plan your days, especially in the evenings and on the weekends, and you could start such businesses. What you need, that is, window cleaning, you can either go the traditional route where you just need a squeegee, you need some soap, and you need some rags for drying, some rags pretty much. And then that's how you will start a window cleaning, using traditional means. And then the other way of cleaning windows is using an extendable pole. That is a little expensive to start, but it is possible. It is possible. But I will go with the traditional route because you're just starting out, you're just trying out things as you work your 9 to 5. So I would consider window cleaning because it has predictable income. You can sign up some customers and you know that every fortnight I will go to this customer, I will service this customer. So you know that money is coming in. It is predictable. Another service that I could provide, or the one that I could start to escape the 9 to 5 job or to supplement my income, is carpet cleaning. People don't know that many people, carpet cleaning is one of the services they seek after. Because many people they have carpets in their homes, especially in the UK and in the US too, where they would like that their carpets look good, and also it is part of well-being. People would love to have, to prevent some airborne infections, if I could say that. So they want their carpets to be clean, they want their sofas to be cleaned, right? So I could consider starting a carpet cleaning business, and I could add to that, cleaning sofas, sofa cleaning, and I could target people that have pets. People that have pets, if I'm advertising or creating an advert on Facebook or Instagram, I could specifically target people that have pets. So that is a business that you could start. Of course, you just need to find a second-hand tools, equipment, and then you start such a business. Another business that I could start if I wanted to escape the 9 to 5 or supplement my income, it is a business that is sought after, or a service that is sought after, and that is car detailing. Car detailing entails actually it could be mobile car detailing, whereby you go to people's houses, and then you clean their cars. You provide a service. Like, people don't have to go to a car washing bay, but they can call you, and then you go and provide such a service right at their home, cleaning their cars. And pretty much what you need is some kind of sponge that you use to start washing the car. Water, of course, somehow you can, a bucket, some kind of squeegee that you can use on the windows and windshield. And that's how you could start your own car detailing business. It's not complicated, not complicated at all. And that's how you can, before you know it, you can have many customers calling you to go because of convenience. They call you to go to their homes, and then you provide such a service. Another service that you could provide is cleaning, is going into people's houses, and then you provide a service to clean inside the house. You can clean the ovens, clean the kitchen, wash their plates and stuff, clean the bathroom, and then you charge a fee. You know, as time goes by, you remember this is just pretty much what you need to be investing in. It is just your time. You don't need a lot of capital to start these businesses, right? So you can start small, and as time goes by, you can bring on other people. That is, if you know the work is overwhelming, you can bring on other people to help you go to other different houses of your customers to help you reach masses. So these are all businesses that you can easily start. They are boring businesses, but they are recession proof and they have predictable income. They are boring, yes. That's why many people don't go for them. But yet, if you can leverage social media, you can really do good. You can do well with such businesses. So if you got any value in this video, I will appreciate it if you show some love by hitting the like button, subscribing to the channel if you're not subscribed already. And also I would appreciate if you want to become part of this journey of other people that think the same, we're building something, you could consider joining our YouTube membership. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.